what are uh, the adverbs are called? So adverbs are called by, see, they tells more about noun, verbs and adjectives. And adjectives are words that tells more about nouns. So if we begin with the term, we will find that hierarchy of units. The next point that we need to understand here, that right from the morphemes we have studied our syllabus. So our journey is begins with morphemes, then we go into words, then we go into phrases, then we are going to study clauses, and then we are going to study the sentences. So our journey is from the smallest part to the largest part. So for proper understanding of our subject, we are going to study these aspects. Okay, so for your better understanding, see the labeling that we need to do, and these labelings are done in such a way: we have morphemes, we have words, we have phrases, clauses and sentences. So by this is our journey. If we go from upper to downward, we are going into particular, and if we are going from particular to largest part, we are moving to the slowly larger part of the sentence. Here we have one more verb that is already given here. Olaf munched peaches contentedly. Here the phrases, see, words are with the space between, words are differentiated by space between. See, if we have to indicate the morpheme, we can put a hyphen like this: munched, peaches, okay, contain. So like this we can put a hyphen in the morphemes. We have already studied them. If we have to see, morphemes are identified with hyphen, words are identified with space between these two, then we go for the phrases. So all of for phrases we are going to give the round brackets. See, round brackets are used for phrases. See, so we are going to use them. Okay, see, phrases. Then Olaf is a noun phrase. This is a noun, so noun. This is also one of the phrase. So we are having this one phrase. Okay, then peaches is also one of the phrase, and this is also one of the phrase. So phrases are indicated by the round brackets. Now the best next important point is that we see here is clause. Clause is indicated by, clauses are indicated by square bracket. See, square bracket is used for clauses, and in sentence we may have more clauses, two or more clauses. Okay, so with these words, definitely it helps you to understand the sentence. Okay, now this is another strategy that we must adopt. See, this is the bracketing system that we are going to do in our grammar paper. See, what we are going to do here is that, see, we are having the bracketing system. Bracketing is the whole clause is indicated by square bracket. If we try to go into, say, some of the proper phrases, the proper phrase is keeps is a verb, so before that we have a subject. So this is our one phrase. This is another phrase. A stuffed moose is also one of the phrase. In her attic is also one of the phrase. So by this we have understood the topic, that is bracketing system. In the same way, the same thing can be put by the tree diagram or knots. Okay, so for this sentence we may have, see, like this, the knots may be indicated by this. These are the knots, and these knots that we can use. So our landlady keeps a stuffed moose in her attic. So in this way we can use the tree diagram. Okay, so this is sentence, this is also clause, this is phrase, this is phrase, this is phrase, this is phrase. All these phrases that we can give. What types of phrases we will see in our next lecture. See, so here we do have, again, this is one word, this is another word, this is another word. Keeps, we have word WO, we can put the label word WO. So what's, this is also one, this is word. Okay, so we have one word, two, and third. Okay, so we have this one and this one. So in such a way we may put here the words. So in such a way the tree diagram or flow chart may be indicated in such a way. So if we go through this, we will understand what are the things that are there. So sentence out of sentence, clauses, we go down to the phrases, we go down to the words, individual words, and still we can go to the morphemes also. So here we can also go to morphemes. In such a way, we will understand that in our grammar paper we are going to study both ways, but the most proper way is to go through the bracketing system. Since we are adopting this process in the, say, analysis and understanding of how the sentence is made of. So our journey is from morphology, and at the end we are reaching to the sentence. So our journey is onward, and throughout the year we are going to study this whole journey in this way. So with these words, definitely I hope that you will understand everything. Keep your English book, that is English grammar for today, ready with you so that you can use this. Okay, so another concept that we will see in our next lecture. Thank you. Bye.